John 1:1-14. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with Elohim, and Elohim was the Word. The same was in the beginning with Elohim. All things were made by him, and without him was not anything made that was made. In him was life, and the life was the light of men. And the light shines in the darkness, and the darkness comprehended it not. There was a man sent from Elohim, whose name was Yohanan. The same came for a witness, to bear witness of the light, that all men through him might believe. He was not that light, but was sent to bear witness of that light. That was the true light, which lights every man that comes into the world. He was in the world, and the world was made by him, and the world knew him not. He came unto his own, and his own received him not. But as many as received him, to them he gave power to become the children of Elohim, even to them that believe on his name, which were born not of blood, nor of the will of flesh, nor of the will of man, but of Elohim. And the Word was made flesh, and tabernacled among us, and we beheld his glory, the glory as the Yahweh of the Father, full of grace and truth.